club going up on the Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut and she choosing.
I got the club going up on a Tuesday. Good morning, Oly. I'm Brissia. Happy Tuesday.
And I'm Amiya. We're in the final stretch. Only 3 days left in the semester. Get those assignments in, finish strong, and show that Oly pride.
Tonight, our instrumental music classes take the stage.
Tickets are just $3 for students and seniors, less than your morning coffee.
Expect holiday classics, solos that will blow your mind, and full assembled performances. Gateway's finest musicians are ready to rock the stage.
Don't miss this. Bring your friends, bring your energy, and cheer loud.
The Promethean Journal is accepting winter submissions.
Poems, stories, arts, essays, any style, any language. If you made it, they want it.
Deadline January 7th. Check the school website under Student Living to submit.
This is your chance to get published. Show off your creativity.
Seniors, sign up for the Senior Seal of Biliteracy by December 18th.
If you are bilingual, this is your chance to earn recognition for your language skills.
Check with your counselor or Google Classroom. Don't miss out. Is back Thursday at 7:30 a.m. in the concession stands.
Hot drinks, morning treats, and good vibes. Perfect start to your day.
Get there early, it sells out fast.
Yearbooks are just $45 this week, the lowest price all year.
Sports, dances, club, seniors, all your memories in one book. Grab yours before the price goes up. Boys basketball at Northbend tomorrow. C-Team 4 p.m., JV 5:30 p.m., varsity at 7 p.m.
Girls host Northland in the Oly Dome. JV 5 p.m., varsity at 6:30 p.m.
We begin tonight with breaking news about the rising toll of college admissions cycle. A new CNN reports that the pressure of applications is deeply affecting students' mental health, with anxiety, burnout, and isolation being disturbingly common. Mental health counselors say that they're seeing more students than ever coming in with admissions-related stress. One counselor in the report said that students are exhausted because admissions has become a non-stop comparison game where no one feels good enough. We spoke with seniors around Gateway about how the pressure is affecting them. Let's find out with Tammy.
How has the admission process impacted your mental health?
I would say it impacted me not in a good way. Honestly, the application process was pretty much taking forever. I spend most of my days trying to figure out if I'm getting accepted to a school, but it's not the only thing. I will also think the scholarships, like there's so many scholarships, but I'm not winning any, so it's like very hard. And also about having to pay for application fees. That's a lot.
How had the admission process impacted your mental health?
I would say it allowed me to become a more open-minded person, as well as open myself to be open more about my academic stance, and as well as describe myself in my personal hardships and standpoints that probably would have impacted that.
What part of the process stressed you out the most?
Oh my God, having to write different essays for each application, and it's always 3 or 2 for each one. It's a lot. I just copy and paste the same one.
As decisions continue to roll out, experts say that the pressure isn't easing anytime soon. For thousands of students, getting into college isn't just a milestone, it's becoming a mental health battle. Students, take care of your mental health. Find time for yourself outside of these college applications. Go outside, do something that you love. College is important, but so is your mental health. That's it for today's story.
Don't forget the holiday instrumental concert is tonight. Come see Gateway's finest musicians in action.
Grab a friend, bring your energy, and let's celebrate this season together. Have an amazing day, Ollies, and enjoy the show tonight! Woo!